Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we're talking about a shoe that just dropped this past weekend. This shoe came out. I'm not sure if they sold out, man. They might still be sitting on shelves, man. I'm not too sure. I was able to get my hands on a pair, so I had to bring it to the channel so you guys can get a look at it. The Penny family, you know how we do. The shoe that we're talking about today is the Air Jordan Retro 1 First Class Flight. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also, be sure to follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. But I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get to the shoe. Here you guys go, Retro 1 First Class Flight. Let's get into the shoe. Alright, so first off, I want to talk about the material on the shoe. The material on the shoe feels like a boarding pass when you go to get on the airplane. When you're going somewhere, that's pretty far. That's when people normally take airplanes. They normally get on, and when you get your boarding pass, it has like a funny material to it. So that's what the shoe feels like. But I feel like they made it out of perforated leather because it has the little dotty holes in the leather. So if you guys can see that, you see the little dotty holes in there. But let's get into the the normalization of the shoe. All right, so on this side you got the normal swoosh going up with the yellow outline around it. You got Air Jordan right here, his normal signature right here. All right, you slide over to the back panel over here. He has his assist number right here, which is 5,633 assists in his career. That's an average of 5.3 assists a game. You go over here on the bottom, he has his rebound numbers here. Throughout his career, he was able to get 6,672,000 rebounds in his career. That's an average of 6.2 rebounds a game. And over here on the other side, has his points right here. He had 32,292 points in his career, which is an average of 30.1 points a game. That sounds like a legendary career to me. What you guys think about that? You flip it over here on the other side, it has like the little recycling logo here with the 23 in it. It has MJ, MJ4, AJ1023. Has a little barcode here that says pre-first class flight. You have a yellow swoosh on this side. More perforated leather. The mesh tongue also with the leather Nike Air right here. If you guys want to get your hands on this shoe, I'm sure, I think they still out there. I'm not too sure if they sold out or not. I think they still out there. You should be able to get your hands on them. And if you're feeling them, man, you can wear them now while it's still a little hot. Over here on the East Coast, it's still a little hot, as you can see. A lot of people still wearing shorts and things like that, so you could probably pull these out with a nice little fit for the weekend or whatever the case may be. But it comes with a different set of laces. I think it's too much white on this shoe, so maybe if you swap out the laces, it might have a better feel. You might feel more comfortable wearing them, and you might get a couple of more looks, man. But for the most part, man, the shoe is just pretty much all white everywhere. You have perforated leather and yellow right here on the top of the shoe right here. Yeah, man, that's pretty much everything that's going on with the shoe. And let me know what you guys think. You guys think the shoe is fire? Leave it in the comments below, man. So, it's time for me to rate this shoe, man. And out of 5 pennies, I'm going to have to give this shoe, man, 2.5 out of 5 pennies. I'm not feeling this shoe. Jordan brand need to stop coming out with retro ones. Y'all pretty much killing the whole nostalgia of the shoe. Stop. It needs to stop, man. This is crazy, man. This shoe is terrible. Why are you coming out with a shoe that's like a boarding pass or whatever the case may be? Stop, man. Leave the retro one alone, man, and start messing with some other retros, man. I see y'all coming out with a lot of 5s next year, man. Focus on that and leave the retro one alone, man. Please, if y'all agree with me, leave it in the comments below. If y'all think Jordan brand need to stop coming out with retro ones all the time, man, leave it in the comments below, man. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.